Okay, this is one of those stoichiometry problems that was on your pop quiz a little earlier today. I just wanted to go over this again so that we can be clear on how we're doing our conversions. So to start out, we have a chemical equation that's already balanced. And so we automatically know that we're going to be getting information from this chemical equation to provide an answer to our problem. And we see here that it's asking how many moles of aluminum chloride is produced from 2.5 moles of chloride. Okay? And so we're starting with chloride here. So this is going to be our starting element. Okay? Now, if we have moles of chloride, we know we're going to have moles of chloride on the bottom to get this to cancel out to get our aluminum chloride. So if we look at this equation, we see that 2 moles of aluminum will give us 2 moles of aluminum chloride. 3 moles of chloride will give us 2 moles of aluminum chloride. And we're basing this off of the coefficients in front of each element on our balanced equation. Let me highlight those. So these are our coefficients. And this is how I'm getting this information. Again, 2 moles of aluminum chloride, 2 moles of aluminum will give us 2 moles of aluminum chloride. 3 moles of chloride gives us 2 moles of aluminum chloride. Okay? So that means that based off of this, we know that 3 moles of Cl will give us 2 moles of aluminum chloride. Okay? Now, when we do the math on this, we get 2 times 2.5, which should be 5. Let's see. Let's do the math here. 2.5 times 2 divided by 3. And we get 1 point. And I'm going to take this to 2 decimal places. 7 mole of AlCl3, aluminum chloride. Okay? So we always want to go from moles to moles of the same substance. So let me highlight this in red too. Since we're starting out with 2.5 moles of chloride, we need to go to a mole of chloride so that these cancel out and we're left with this, because this is what we're looking for. How many moles of aluminum chloride is produced from 2.5 moles of chloride, our starting material. So we went from our starting material to what it is that we're looking for, and we solved it at 1.7 moles of aluminum chloride.